Now on our Euro JPY for the week, as you can see, if you were watching this video with me, we would see where we actually added this fall, this bullish move, and we're actually getting this fall. So for the week, I still believe we would actually go bullish again to take out this our IC where our price reversed from, we see this area here, which is about 144. We are currently trading at 142 points, 669 or something. So this is where our price closed for the day. It closed about 142.669. I believe very much it will be going bullish till at least 144.270 before we can actually see a drop or a continued bullish move upward on our Euro JPY. And I want you to know that our JPY, Euro JPY, and our pound JPY almost move alike. The way our pound moves is somehow the way our Euro moves. So that is why I said, since our pound will be pushing bullish, and if you are to compare our Euro to our USD, our Euro 2 is indicating a bullish move, and now our JPY index is indicating a fall, right? Then definitely, as we are aiming to hit a fall to this our lowest point where our price reversed from, we saw a fall here and a reverse movement. We are aiming for our price to fall to that area there again. So that is why I said, since we are having a fall on our JPY index, definitely another indication that our euro again will actually go bullish to hit this our previous highs, giving us like about 150 pips. I believe would be happening, and again our price is above our 10 period moving average, an indication again that we are actually going bullish again. As you can see, price has hit our 10 period moving average and gone bullish. So on our 1 4 hour time frame, see it's still aiming to go bullish. So that is my analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you very much.